No bear yet. Should knock on wood. Developing a plan to maybe put a couple culverts in, and there's this little hollow right here that make it like a perfect duck pond. And it seems like there's a spring where those geese are right now. And then also over here at the head of the drive, there's a little hill, and all the water kind of goes like a little channel, channeling it all down into here, and hopefully eventually I can make a little pond there. Maybe I'll line it with something. But kind of want to see if it'll hold water. The ducks will like that. I'm going to switch mostly to ducks and just keep a few geese too, because they're pretty neat. But I think mostly I'm going to do runner ducks, which are about ready to come outside. They are ready, but I'm just waiting for the snow to go away. They're not completely fledged yet. What are you doing, missus? What are you doing, missus? What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you being a good girl? Don't eat the acorns, you'll get sick, silly. You'll get sick. You're alright. Why are you alerting on me, dude? You know me. Very cautious though for geese. Like everybody told me that ducks and geese weren't very smart, but I don't believe that. Every time a crow even circles, they do that honk and they head right for that truck back there. Fast too. And when I hear that sound, then I look too. Even if I'm inside, I'll peek out, because they were doing that when the fox and the coyote and raccoons came too. Sure, they'll do it for a bear. Birds of prey and stuff, I'm kind of screwed, or if it's a wolf or a bear, I'm kind of limited to fireworks and just my presence. And the dogs maybe, but I don't really want the dogs tangling with a bear. I'd rather do it myself. I could always get a giant live trap, but yeah, I'm not doing that. The best thing to do is to clean up, which I'm going to do, and stow everything away. That won't be a problem, hopefully. Just waiting for the thaw a little bit. It's really hard to get around right now on my knee. You're such a good girl, aren't you? Such a good girl. Sure do love these critters. They haven't been laying eggs. I don't know if they're like holding them so they can hatch them or what, but I got some poultry netting electrified stuff that I'm going to put up once we get a melt, and everything's going to go inside of there. It'll be a lot safer for everyone, I think, and I won't have to be so worried all the time. Making some nice houses out of all these pallets, and I got some steel over there behind the Subaru. Make some nice stuff for them. You're a good girl. It's alright, dude. You're so tough. You're so tough. Missus, no. Don't posture up on him. He's just doing his job. He's bigger than you almost. Look at that. Holy crap. Oh, we got dry pump. Alright, I gotta take off.